Welcome to Feeler. In response to heavy-duty, general machining, and parts processing industries, we provide the VBX-1300. With the high rigidity and high stability boxway machining center, VBX-1300 is designed to provide excellent heavy-duty machining efficiency. The main body structure of the VBX-1300 is made of mehanite cast iron, which is a very stable material, ensuring that the entire machine will not deform for a long lifetime. The VBX-1300 is also designed with a 3-axis ultra-wide boxway rail, which greatly improves the rigidity and stability of the entire machine, providing exceptional heavy-duty machining ability and extraordinary machining efficiency. The boxway is hardened by heat treatment and precision ground, ensuring a smooth and precise sliding experience. The slideway surface is covered with Tersite B, providing excellent wear resistance and ensuring long-term accuracy. The VBX-1300 spindle speed can reach up to 10,000 RPM for the 40 taper spindle and 4,000 RPM for the 50 taper spindle. Moreover, the machine equipped with a 24-tool magazine, allowing for quick and efficient tool changes. The base adopts a rigid design that is resistant to bending and torsion, increasing the rigidity of the machine. Enlarged foundation bolts effectively increase the stability of the base, ensuring that the machine remains stable even during heavy-duty machining operations. The VBX-1300 features a headstock with a box structure and inner ribs enforcement, which further upgrades the rigidity and stability of the machine for heavy-duty cutting. Additionally, the chip screws remove metal chips more quickly and efficiently, while the powerful flushing system can quickly and efficiently remove metal chips, keeping the machine running smoothly. The advantages of the machine's machining can also be seen during processing with the VBX-1300. In heavy cutting with a face milling cutter, which utilizes a powerful spindle output and a high rigidity structure to achieve extremely high cutting removal efficiency. Rigid tapping with a large aperture, which is highly effective for achieving high-strength processing on carbon steel materials. Rough machining can be improved by utilizing high-speed hobbing chip removal to increase efficiency. Furthermore, the precision machining method utilizes high-speed and high-precision ball end milling to achieve fine surface textures with remarkable accuracy. In summary, the VBX-1300 is a high-quality machining center designed to provide excellent heavy-duty machining efficiency. Its mehanite cast iron main body structure, ultra-wide boxway rail, hardened boxway, rigid base design, reinforced headstock, and efficient chip removal system make it an outstanding machine for heavy-duty machining operations. Thank you for watching video, and if you have any questions or would like to have more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.